Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're gonna be unboxing a dip tank. So in the past, I never used a dip tank, and I was like, you know what, I don't think I need one, because I just never did like them. I never did. I didn't feel like I had the need for one, so I was like, why get one? But lately, we've been washing screens non-stop. Like we wash screens every day almost. So I said, I'm gonna give me a dip tank, make it easier. So I went and got one. Here it is, big old box. So let's open it. Let's see what's in the box and fill it up and use it. Cool. So let me bring the camera down so you can see what $200 looks like in plastic. Basically, that's what it is. It's $200 worth of plastic. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here it is. It's from CCI. They call it a DST-1. Let's open this box. This sucker is huge. Look at that. Wow, this thing is big. Let me zoom out. I think it's big. Look at that. It's a good, I don't know, 10 inches. So there you have it. I guess it's got a little tray. Put this on. That's so you can drain it. Watch me break it. That would be funny. So there you go, guys. That's what $200 looks like. It's got this little bar so you can put your screens in there, hold them down. So I'm going to take it in the back, fill it up with water, and I'll let you see how we fill it up. And I'm just going to use it for emulsion, to remove the emulsion. The only thing I'm going to put in here is water and emulsion remover. That's it. No, nothing else. No ingredients, just plain water and emulsion remover. So let me take in the back room and fill this thing up with water. Okay, so for those of you that have seen my channel before, you know that my screen room or dark room is one of my bathrooms, and that's where this is going. Funny enough, that's where a toilet used to be. I took the toilet out this morning to put this in here. As you can see, let me sit down so you can see. As you can see, I don't have a lot of room, so this is where I keep all my screens. There's a rack in there, so more than likely I'm gonna have to take that out and build a different rack so I can put this way, because there's not gonna be enough room. So I'm gonna fill it up, because we got all the screens that I have to wash today. So I'm gonna fill it up and use it. So let's see how many screens you can put in there. So 1, 2, that's 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and maybe you can squeeze another one. So we're not gonna squeeze another one. 7 screens is not bad. So I guess you can put 7 screens in there, and you can also put the big ones, the ones for the automatic, and pull one out. This one's the 23 by what is it, 36? Oh, it's perfect. Nice. It's actually pretty cool. So let's fill it up. Make sure it doesn't leak. Looks like I'm going to be here for a while. Yeah, I'm going to be here for a long while. And the emulsion I'm going to use, or the emulsion remover I use, is from CCI. It's called Gem Time. And this stuff works really good. This is a concentrate. See, if you can see it, it's concentrated emulsion remover. This stuff works really good. I usually use a spray bottle. That's what I have in here. This is my emulsion remover, but it looks like we're not going to need it anymore, because now we have our dip tank. So right now I'm just going to test it, make sure it doesn't leak, because you don't want it leaking. And then once I fill it up and I'll watch the screens, I got a lot of screens on the other side. I'll wash all of those screens, and later on I'll build the rack for my ink, and I can put this way. Okay, so there you go, guys. I got the dip tank already full, and I'm putting the emulsion remover in there. I already put some in there. That's why you see the little foam in there. I actually went ahead and moved my ink, and I put the tank the other way because it was taking too much space this way. So right now I'm just putting the chemicals in there. I'm just going to run a little bit of water to mix them in. Let's do a little quick test. Maybe I didn't put too much water in there. I think I did put too much water in there. Okay, so let's give it a try. They have been soaking for like about 3 minutes now. yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. And this one is almost out. I'm gonna try a couple of them without removing the ink. So there you go, guys. I mean, you saw the unboxing of the dip tank. You saw me using it. I must say I really like it. In the past, I said you wouldn't need one, but I think they made a believer out of me, and I highly recommend it. I mean, I take one screen out, put another one in, and the other one's ready. I'm actually putting 3 at a time, and the other one's ready for me when it comes out. I'm not even washing the screen. I'm starting to hit the ink, so this is really good. I like it. This is going to speed up my process a lot. So guys, if you like this video, give it a little thumbs up. Make sure you share, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Make sure you subscribe and ding the little bell so you know when I upload new videos. And again, share it, like it, and comment. Let me know if you like the video. Let me know if there's something that you guys use to do this process. And I'm pretty sure that you can agree with me that the next investment that I need to do is going to be in a washout booth. I've been doing this for 10 years, and sadly I don't have a washout booth. So that will be my next investment. So guys, thank you for watching. It's always a pleasure. Make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, make sure you tell your friends and you share this video. Again, it's a pleasure making these videos. Keep watching, ding the little bell. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.